Hello my chicken nuggets! So in today's video I'm showing you guys the different ways to apply blush to change up your face shape and just basically change up your whole routine. Now normally these blush techniques are given to like, oh, if you have an oval face, do this. If you have a heart face, do that. If you're square, whatever. I think makeup should just be based on however you think looks best on you. I understand the whole thing about like, oh, if you have a long face, you want to shorten it. I get that. But I'm just going to show you guys, no matter what face shape you have, the different ways you can apply blush and how it can change up your look. Because for me, depending on the makeup look I'm doing, I'm going to change the blush. But I just want you all to see what blush can do, because blush can really change the way you look. And also, I just decided to dress up like a full-on princess today for some reason. I don't know why, so just ignore me. I'm pretending I'm not sitting in my room. Yes. So if you guys want to see the different placements of blush, then please keep watching. Alrighty, so this is going to be a fun video because I'm going to have to take off my makeup every single time after each of these. But we're going to go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to start kind of with a basic one that people tend to do a lot, and it's to lift your cheeks a lot. It's to help give you that lifted look. This is normally like what models do and stuff like that. So I'm just going to use the same exact blush for all of these. I'm going to use my favorite blush. It's Wet n Wild Color Icon in the shade, I think it's called something wine. I don't know, it came off. So I'm just going to go ahead and get some of that on my blush brush. And when you do this lifted blush, you definitely want to focus on bringing it up, lifting it. So if you have eyeliner or whatever it is, kind of follow that same exact pattern. And you want to keep that blush high up, kind of where you would put highlighter. So I'm going to kind of do this blush very dramatic so you guys can definitely see the difference between all of these. So, and you want to make sure that you are bringing that blush up, just like this. Again, I'm putting a lot just because I want you guys to see the difference between all of these blushes. This is blush number 1. Alrighty, so now that that blush is off, I look very powdered and pale, but I think I wiped off most of the powder. I have like some peeling on my nose, so just ignore that. So the next placement of blush is going to be in this area right here, and it's going to also be brought up a little, but what you're going to be doing is you're going to be avoiding this under eye area. So you're going to put the blush kind of just on the apples of the cheek right here, and up a little, and just bring it right across, just like that. And I think that this is kind of like a traditional place that people think of putting blush, just like on the actual cheek right here. Alright, so this is the next placement of blush. And now I'm taking it off. Alrighty, so new foundation again. Now the next placement is going to be a little bit weird looking on me personally, but that's okay. I'm going to show it to you guys anyways. So it's going to be placing the blush kind of in this area. It's supposed to look like you have a little bit of fuller cheeks. I literally have no cheeks at all, so it will look crazy on me. I'm so sorry, I look insane right now. But we're going to go ahead and do this. So you're going to go ahead and put it in this area. Okay, it looks super spotty on this side because I have I'm using a medication and it makes my skin peel every once in a while, so just like right here, I'm gonna just show you guys. you guys can kind of see like the peeling down here where all the foundation is catching, and I also have there. So, you know, that's fun. But we're gonna make it work. Alrighty, so this is the next blush placement. Alright, and now we just have one more blush look. I'm just going to take this off one more time and reapply my foundation one more time. And I'll be right back to apply that last look. The final look that we are going to be doing is the Sun-Kissed blush. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the blush just right up here. Just basically underneath the eyes. And I'm going to bring it up into this area as well. We're just doing this whole area right here. And on the nose. And then I'm just going to go with some faux freckles. I'm using the Item Beauty Brow Chow. And I'm just going to go in that whole area, all over the nose. And this is the final blush look. Alrighty guys, so these are all of the blush looks, or those were all of the blush looks. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more looks like this, I know that there's a lot of different eyeliner styles that we can do. I'm wearing one right now, and that was kind of like a trend I saw on TikTok where people were trying out different eyeliner looks. So if you want me to create a video on those, kind of like an in-depth tutorial on how to do those eyeliners or anything like that, please just let me know. Or any summer looks that you guys want to see, I am super down to do anything you guys want. So just let me know. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all.